have that there. Now this line, you divide it by 2, we have this line to be 7. Dividing it by 2, you have 3.5. So this 3.5 you have here, just bring it down here like this. We divided this our armhole line here by 2. We have 7 inches. We divided by 2, which gave us 3.5. Now this 3.5, bring it here so that we can just have what? A straight line here as the center of our armhole line. Now we have our armhole curve. You go inside for the front by 0.75 and the back by 0.5. Now this place, just create a straight line, come down with a straight line like so, and you have that there. Now to complete our armhole, what you just do is your bust measurement, and our bust measurement is 33. 33 divided by 4 will give us 8.25. Now you enter your 8.25 there, and then with your curve, just try to finish up the armhole like so. So you have it there. Now you do the same thing for your back also, like so. 8.25, and then try to find the curve, and there you have it. Now the next thing is for us to create our dart, and to create your dart you need your nipple to nipple point measurement. And for this pattern we are drafting, our nipple to nipple point measurement is 6 inches. 6 inches divided by 2 will give us 3. So you enter 3 here. On your waistline, you enter 3 on your under bust line, and then you enter the same 3 on your bust point line. For your front pattern, you don't mark your nipple point measurement on your chest line. Now after this, you come down from your bust point line by 1 inch. Now this is to create room for the bust. Your dart is not supposed to get into your bust point line, so this will create room for the bust. Now since this is a basic bodice block, we use 0.5 inches for our dart on both sides. Our dart intake is going to be 0.5 on both sides like so. Now we do the same thing for the back. 3 inches, 3 inches on your chest line. For the back, your dart gets to your chest line. You mark your 3 inches on your chest line like so, and then we have our dart opening, our dart intake, which will be 0.5 inches on both sides, and then you bring it down like so. Okay, now the next thing is for us to input our waist measurement. Now the waist we are working with is with 24.5 inches, and 24.5 inches divided by 4 will give us 6.125. Now we need to add back our dart to it. Now in pattern drafting or in sewing generally, whatever you are going to take, you have to make sure you add it back to your side seam. If not, your measurement will be short. So we have our waist measurement to be 6.125 plus 1 inch will give us 7.125. And then we just do what? We roll it down straight like this. And we have that there. Now we're going to do the same thing for the back, only that we have what we call our back tightening, and then we're going to use 0.5 here. Now the aim, what this this back tightening does is that it helps to reduce the back bulge, the zipper bulge, which we usually see in some outfits. So that's why we need the back tightening. Now after marking this, you can just roll it straight up like so, and then you have that there. We're going to cut this out, and then this line now becomes our new center back line. And then we have our waist measurement to be 6.125 plus this 1 inch for our dart intake will give us 1.75. Note that I am taking this new measurement from our new back line and not this old one which we initially ruled here. This one, then we have our 7.125 there, and then we connect it down, straight down like so. Now we are almost done. The only thing we are left with now is to equalize our side seams. Now this is our side seam, and if you look at them, you will see that the front side seam is longer than the back, and this is because our front length is 16 inches because of the bust, and then our back is 14 inches. If you decide to cut it out and join like this, it's not going to be equal at the side, so we need to equalize this. And the best way we are going to do this is what? We are going to create a bust dart for this pattern. So this is 2 inches because we have the front to be 16 and the back to be 14. So 16 minus 14 will give us 2 inches. And what you do is you come to this front here, you come to your bust point line, and then place your tape like this, and then input your 2 inches there. And then you do what? You just connect it straight to your nipple to nipple point measurement, which is your bust apex. So dear soulmates, this is our basic bodice block. That wasn't hard, was it? Now I want you to give this a try, and then if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and we'll look at it and sort it out together. Thank you for watching, and bye.